Please allow me to welcome you to Ed Morse Bayview Cadillac, where we strive to give you the very best in customer service and satisfaction.
Morse has more at Ed Morse Bayview Cadillac. Family owned and operated for over 70 years. When you buy or lease your Cadillac from the most trusted name in South Florida, your unparalleled experience continues with our award-winning service department, a continuously recognized Cadillac Certified Elite Service Dealer. Our highly trained certified Cadillac technicians will quickly address your vehicle's needs. And since your convenience is our utmost concern, we have over 65 Cadillac service loaners available to you, our valued customer. Or stay and enjoy concierge-style amenities in our state-of-the-art lounge area. As a family-owned and operated automotive group for over 70 years, Ed Morse strives to live up to its name and exceed expectations while assisting your every need.
Come experience a dealership unlike any other and see why Morse has more at Ed Morse Bayview Cadillac.